Skylar, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you supposed to be jumping on your crib? Skylar, look at Mama. Are you supposed to be jumping? No, no. You're crazy. Time to go to the big bed tonight. Are you going to sleep in a big bed tonight? Yeah. Okay, that's enough. Hey, stop jumping. Can you climb out? Can you climb out of your bed? Let me see how you do this. That's dangerous. Time for the big girl bed. Are you a big girl? Are you a big girl? You are. Or are you a baby? Goodness. Goodness gracious.